Here I have OnePlus A5010 and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the settings, then scroll down, find and pick System. Under the System, go to Reset Options and now simply tap on Reset App Preferences. You have to be aware that this will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restriction for apps, and any permission restrictions. If you would like to do it, just tap on Reset Apps. And that's it. We've just reset all app preferences. Now you have to set it up from the scratch. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.